Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL Tune 215 true wireless headphones and I'm going to show you how to pair them with your MacBook. At first we have to go and click on this Bluetooth icon on the top, and then we have to click on Bluetooth settings. After that we have to open our case, remove our headphones from our case, and go into pairing mode by holding on this button over here. Here, as you can see in nearby devices, we can see our headphones. We just have to hover it and click connect. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.